A warm hello, my dear friends, and a special welcome to everyone who's new around here. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how far this little corner of the world is reaching. Well, it truly feels like we're now in the midst of fall, and nature is showing off her magical colors. Everywhere I look, I see bursts of red, yellow, and bright orange. Autumn lover? I sure am. It's always been my favorite season, with spring following close behind. And of course, summer and winter have their own special charm too. Have you picked your pumpkin yet? Or maybe baked your first pumpkin pie of the season? I have such fond memories of going to the pumpkin fields with my bonus kids, wandering between all those orange and white pumpkins, searching for just the right one to bring home. We'd carve funny or downright silly faces into them, and I still smile when I think about the laughter that filled those afternoons and the anticipation of revealing each other's creations and watching them come alive in the evenings while lighting a candle inside of them. Every season carries its own message. I think autumn's is pretty clear. It's okay to grow and to change too. We don't have to wait until January to start fresh or think about what we'd like to do differently. Now is the perfect time to reflect, to notice how far we've come and where we might want to head next. What have the past months taught you? Which habits, routines, or thoughts no longer serve the person you're becoming? I know I've talked about this in previous episodes, but it's been on my mind again lately. How this season feels like kind of a harvest, not just of pumpkins and apples, but of all the small things we've planted throughout the year. The lessons we've learned, the moments of kindness or patience that didn't seem like much at the time, they all add up. Even the challenges we face carry a kind of fruit if we're looking closely enough. And now that the days are cooler and the evenings stretch a little longer, I find myself wanting to make my home extra cozy. A few candles here, a blanket there, something baking in the oven, like my pumpkin pie. All those little touches make my home feel warm, peaceful, and inviting. You know what? It really doesn't take much to feel content. Sometimes we think we need more things, more plans, more goals. But maybe what we already have is enough. The people we love, the comfort of familiar spaces, no matter how big or how small, those are the real blessings. This is also the perfect time to do a little decluttering. I like to go through my summer clothes before putting them away and donate the ones I didn't wear, or refresh a small corner of my home that could use a little love. Even simple changes, a rearranged shelf, a bouquet of autumn flowers, or lighting a candle on the table, can shift the entire energy of a room. Bailey always knows when I'm baking. She stays close by, hoping for a little taste. And this time she actually got one. A little bit of fresh baked pumpkin, her own little autumn treat. And since we're talking about change, maybe try adding one small new habit, something gentle and grounding. Lately, I've started lighting a candle each morning, writing down one thing I'm grateful for, and taking a few minutes to breathe in the crisp morning air while I let Bailey out. Tiny rituals like that have a way of transforming your days from ordinary to meaningful, reminding us to live with more intention and presence. And while the pie is baking in the oven, Bailey and I are taking a moment to stand out on the deck overlooking the water. I cherish these little moments, the stillness, the scent of the sea, feeling the wind in my face and blowing through my hair. It's always a reminder of how beautiful it is to simply be here, to be alive, to be part of the rhythm of the season. So as you watch the leaves fall and feel the season turning, I hope you give yourself permission to pause, reflect, and to celebrate your own harvest. Everything you've done, learned, and become this year. Thank you for being here with me, for sharing these cozy, quiet moments together. I hope the season brings you comfort, inspiration, and a gentle reminder that you are growing beautifully right where you are. And as always, I wish you health, wellness, and joy.